No, this is me. Okay. Let's think. This pencil is me. Yeah, you sharpen me so that I'll become very sharp. You mend me. Now you are a teacher. No, teacher, please teach me. Because then come, I will teach you ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮೀ. Oh, I'm getting very hurt. Teacher, don't mend me, don't mend me, don't mend me. I will get hurt. Then you tell, you will become sharp, I will help you so that ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು. Please teacher, help me. Okay, I will help you, but allow me to mend you. You are not allowing me to mend you.